I'm not even going to pretend like this isn't kicking my ass. I am whooped. We're at the Cloudforest level, as you can see. It stays like this all the time here. And just one of these old checkpoints. Taking a break, taking a rest. So good times. This hill's kicking my ass and I didn't want to do it, but I got me a coffee. Really hot coffee. We're at our lunch break. Had some sandwich and feeding these vagrant dogs, and then we got about an hour. We're gonna get back on the trail. It's cold here.
I'm the sucker. Let me break this up.
Oh, yeah. Cards or anything. I'm going home.